In the latest Orka release, we're excited to announce an update to our web user interface. In addition to the CLI and API, our web UI is another alternative for navigating Orka and executing commands. The left-hand navigation includes sections for Orka components and resources such as VMs, images, and nodes. With Orka, a node represents a physical machine such as a Mac Mini or a Mac Pro. From the nodes window, you can see your available machines, along with the associated IP address, available cores, and available memory for each one. You'll also see a status indicator letting you know if the node is in a ready state. Orka ISOs are disk images used for the installation of macOS on a virtual machine. From the Orka web UI, you can see a list of available ISOs, pull a remote ISO from MacStadium's repo, and other basic functions like copying or renaming an ISO. An Orka base image is a bootable disk image that provides the OS, file system, and storage for your VM configs and VMs. All Orka environments come with some pre-installed images, such as this Catalina image with SSH enabled. In Orka, a VM config is a template for a virtual machine. You can deploy multiple VM instances from a single VM config. You can easily create a VM config using the Orka web UI by selecting a base image and entering CPU and vCPU settings for the config. Quickly create a VM using your config with the Deploy Config button. Moving to the VM tab, we can see the new VM we created based on our VM config template. An Orka VM is a fully fledged macOS VM inside a Docker container. In the web UI, you can see a list of your deployed VMs, along with the base images they're built upon and the nodes they're running on. Easily connect to a VM from the web UI by clicking the Connection button. The Orka web UI also gives you VM controls like stop, suspend, and revert. And you can save a new image from a running VM. We hope you enjoy working with the Orka web UI. To get started, visit orkadocs.macstadium.com/docs/UI quickstart. For more information about this and all Orka releases, visit orkadocs.macstadium.com or sign up to get Orka update emails at macstadium.com/orkaupdate.